Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing GoodLock from the Galaxy Store. Once done, open it and install the Control Center module. Some regions label it Quick Star. Give the module accessibility, notification, and overlay permissions so it can replace the system panel. Once granted, reboot or restart the UI if prompted to ensure the module loads. This step is required because Samsung restricts direct Control Center edits in One UI 7, so the module is the only supported way to modify the panel layout and tiles. Now open the Control Center module interface and select Layout or Tile Settings. You will see a drag-and-drop grid. Drag tiles to reorder, tap plus to add items, and remove ones you don't want. Make sure to adjust row count and spacing if available. That changes density. Also configure the brightness slider and any shortcut buttons so your most used functions are one swipe away. These settings change the core behavior of the panel, so tweak and test after each adjustment to confirm the result. Finish by applying your changes and testing the Control Center with the gesture or icon you use. Make sure tiles respond and shortcuts launch. If the panel doesn't reflect edits, clear the module's cache in Settings right arrow apps or uninstall and reinstall the module within GoodLock. Also reboot the phone after major changes. That often resolves lingering UI conflicts. If problems persist, disable the module, confirm permissions again, then re-enable. That single troubleshooting step fixes most loading issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.